how to equip silencers on Csgo. So first of all, click the inventory button to the left hand side of the screen and then click on loadout towards the top. Now we're going to select the USPS for the pistol, and you can do this by clicking on the counter-terrorist button to the top right of this wheel here, then click on the P2000, right click on USPS to the right, and then click replace for CT. Now we can do this for all of the silenced weapons, so we're going to click on rifle towards the top here, and then click on M4A4, then right click on M4A1S, right click, replace for CT. And that is all you have to do. You can also, for the SMG, select the MP5, and let's check it out in game. So now for CT, we're going to start with the USPS, and you can right click to take the silencer off and put it back on again. And of course, you can do the same thing for the M4A1S. You can right click to take it off and on again. And that is all you have to do. So if this video helped, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment, and also click the subscribe button to help Minutemanual get to 100,000 subscribers.